Hi everyone, my name is Jesam and this is Jesam Architect Channel. Now welcome to this 3-bedroom house where comfort meets tranquility. Today we are excited to present to you this stunning 3-bedroom home, perfect for families and anyone looking to enjoy a peaceful living. This property is sitting on a land size of 35 feet by 100 feet. You have got this huge compound with parking space that can take no less than 4 cars. On the main entrance gate has a provision for a remote control device. With electric security fence all around this property, you have got about 8 CCTV cameras installed already on this property. Now let's check the interior of this beautiful home. Well, this is the door that opens straight into the interior of this beautiful house. As I earlier mentioned, this is a 3-bedroom all ensuite property. That is a smart home, with this section being the main living area. This home features 3 comfortable bedrooms, each designed to provide a peaceful retreat. Now this bright and airy living room is perfect for cozy evenings or hosting your guests, with large windows that brings in plenty of natural light and offer beautiful views of the surrounding landscapes. So fast forward, let's see the kitchen in the beautiful property. You've got a modern and beautiful sizable kitchen that boasts of sleek countertops, ample cabinet space and state-of-the-art appliances. You have got both microwave and oven. You have a 4-burner gas hob with a heat extractor right on top of it. This is your modern sleek double bowl sink. You have an air conditioner installed in this kitchen as well. This is a provision for either washing machine or the dishwasher. You have a provision for a double door fridge, with this door leading to the pantry. Through this solid metallic door, we exit from the kitchen now to the backyard. Now there are 2 units of this property and they are really available on the market also. Now let's see the guest washroom in this living space. Well, this is the inside of the guest washroom. It is clean, as you can see. Now let's see the inside of the bedrooms. This opens straight into the very first bedroom. It's a good size of a bedroom that can take a queen size bed. We have got an inbuilt floor to ceiling wardrobe. With this door opening straight into the washroom for this bedroom. It's a clean, beautiful washroom setup, and it comes with high quality washroom accessories. This is the inside of the bedroom number 2. Each bedroom in this property has 2 sizable windows, and all the bedrooms comes with air conditioners. This bedroom measures 14 feet by 13 feet. You have this floor to the ceiling fitted wardrobe as well in this bedroom. This is a washroom for the bedroom number 2. It's just a mirror like of the inside of the bedroom number 1. You have these beautiful vanity sets, a WC, a huge standing shower, we're done with both bedrooms, including the living space. Straight ahead of us is a door that opens into the master's bedroom. Now this is a spacious master suite, includes a private ensuite bathroom, offering a perfect blend of luxury and convenience. Through this doorway, we have access to the walk-in closets and the washroom. Now this is the inside of the washroom for the master's bedroom. You have a beautiful setup in this master's washroom. A floating single bowl vanity set. You have this WC with the washroom accessories of a modern standing shower and the stand. The glass cubicle will be fitted. Now this 3-bedroom is going to cost you 50 million naira to get it to this point. As you can see, everything is ready and you just need to pack in. So for you to be able to get this type of property in Nigeria, you have to budget up to 50 million naira for this property.